Just met with the NBC crew here that is actually filming across Romania, the different areas in terms of hotspots across Ukraine and Hungary. And as you can see here, this is not much different than what we've seen from other places. Oops! Oops! I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Sorry. I just bumped into a woman. Oh my gosh, just knocked her down. Anyhow, basically this is, it's a humanitarian crisis that, yeah. I would interview more people, but I think they're getting a little bit hostile, and it's pretty late at night. As you can see here, it's 25 minutes till 1. So I think it's time to shut off the camera. We'll come back tomorrow, okay? Take care. Bye-bye.